Guys, it's Maria here, and in this video I'm going to show you the fastest and easy way to make $100,000 in Google online this year. In the chart we have the flow, and I am going to explain step by step the process for you, so you want to stay tuned. Please be sure you give me a like, comment and subscribe during this video if you got some value. I would love to hear that from you. What is this business model? This business model is selling services to local business. It's a business model that has huge demand, low competition, and massive profit margins, which has nothing to do with e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or any other of the usual suspects. There is only one thing you need to focus in this entire process, and that is getting people in front of this specific sell process. Let's begin by talking about the business model. There are a lot of business out there that have no presence online. Believe it or not, 45% of small business that has no website or any other online presence whatsoever. And right now, people are making more money online than ever before. People are making more searches online than ever before. They are looking and searching online to decide what to buy regarding of what they are purchasing. Just notice how you search online if you are going to go to the new dentist, beauty salon, or doctor. Right? That's why this business model online is so huge. And what I'm going to teach you today is how to be the middleman between the person that is looking for the service and the provider that is actually offering the service or product. All you need to do is take the prospects to the front door, and they will take care of all the services, no matter if it is Facebook ads, social media management, Instagram growth, Google ads, funnels, whatever it may be. You are going to be that middleman, and the cool thing is that you can keep 80 to 90% of the money, which is super cool. And a lot of these people that get aboard are retainers, so you can have as little as 7 customers and have $100,000 from those customers. So let's go ahead and break down the process. And if you guys want, you can check out the link in the description below. My friends Steve and Aiden put together this 3 steps blueprint for building a $100,000 profit business with just 7 sales or less. It's a free PDF ebook that goes into more detail about this $100,000 business with just 7 sales or less. You can check this out in the description. It's 100% free. So, the idea here is that we want to take prospects for whatever traffic we are leveraging to this 3-step system right here. We might have clients from Google, PPC, using paid advertising, CEO traffic. We can even email those companies directly, and we can tell them what they can do to get more customers. And then maybe solve a part of their problem, and then offer them the entire solution by offering your service as a digital online marketing agency. There are many different ways that we can drive visitors to our web page just to get them as clients. You can buy ads in Google offering your services, or you can write a great blog post explaining how to attract more customers. So essentially, what you need to do is create a blog post or web page, send traffic, offer a webinar or give away a case study so people will opt in, and now you can contact them to explain more about how you can help them get more clients. And then charge between $1,500 up to $10,000 per customer per month. This here show you that all you need is 7 clients and charging them around $1,200 per month to get $100,000 per year. That's a pretty impressive number, right? But maybe you are looking at this like, I get all of what you are talking about, but it seems really complicated. Do I need a website? How do I set up all of this? Well, actually, you don't need to do anything. Steve and Aiden have this process set up for you. All you need to do is plug and play. All you need to do is focus in driving traffic to your website or blog post and get at least 7 customers. And they take care of the rest for you. So if you want to learn more about how to do this, they have a free ebook you will definitely want to check out. Just click in the link below. You don't have to do anything. You just get business into the front door that want to attract more customers and offer your service as an internet online agency. To learn more, download the free ebook and get the mind map. It's totally free, and stay tuned for the next webinar where they will explain everything about this easy business model. To get access, just click the link in the description. I hope you got value from this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.